This exam application tutorial is on the topic of drugs. The question for 3 marks is explain how nicotine in cigarette smoke can lead to lung cancer. What this is asking you to do is state the addictive and cancer-causing chemicals in cigarette smoke and explain why nicotine indirectly increases the risk of developing cancer. So nicotine doesn't itself increase the risk of cancer, but indirectly it does. Firstly, you have to state that nicotine is an addictive chemical. Therefore, it causes people to smoke more and take in more tar. And it's tar which is carcinogenic or cancer-causing. So nicotine indirectly can increase the risk of cancer because it causes you to smoke more and take in more tar, which is carcinogenic. This exam application tutorial is on the topic of drugs. The question for 6 marks, describe the short-term and long-term effects of alcohol abuse. So the translation would be list 3 short-term or immediate effects of consuming alcohol and describe the health problems regular alcohol consumption can lead to, in other words, the long-term effects. So firstly, after consuming alcohol, a person may experience blurred vision. It's just a matter of memorizing the effects. Secondly, it lowers a person's inhibitions. In other words, it gives them a false sense of confidence, so they may do things they would never do when sober. It can also cause vomiting, so those are 3 short-term effects. You can add another, but you don't have to. It can cause memory loss. Long-term alcohol abuse can cause brain damage and cause scar tissue to form in the liver. The liver is at high risk from long-term alcohol abuse. This is called cirrhosis. So very easy, but a matter of memorizing the short-term and long-term effects.